my name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start a roll-in project pan. If you haven't heard those from me, I have done those so much here on my channel. I can link my project pan playlist up above. But project pan basically is when you go through your beauty items. It could be skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, you name it, and you figure out which products you would like to try and use up or have certain goals on. How I do it is I pick 10 products that I either want to hit pan on or use up completely. I will try and update you guys once a month, and then I roll in some new products once I use up those items or hit my goals on them, just to kind of keep switching it up so the project pan doesn't go stale. And I kind of keep you guys updated. I have my little assistant Maddie here with me. So I have a couple of skincare items. Majority of this is makeup. I love doing makeup in my rolling project pans because I can consistently work on it. Let's start with kind of the harder items that I will be going through during this project pan. First item here is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Luxury Eye Palette. And as you can see, I have already completely finished up one shade, just hit pan in this shade today, which that was kind of going to be a goal for that item. And then this shade is kind of what my goal is. So I went to hit pan in this really pretty gold shade. That is a swatch of it right there. I want to hit pan on that shade as well as continue to use this shade. A goal would be for this year, this kind of is like my pan that palette for the year, and finish this up. I have a lot of other palettes, but I want to try and use this baby up this year. And yeah, another eyeshadow that I want to use up. I have so much pan on this. This is the Stila Kitten Single Eyeshadow, and I want to completely use this up. I just have a little bit of eyeshadow left in that pan, so hopefully I can finish up this rim right here and use this baby up completely. Yeah, another eyeshadow that I love is the Stila. This is the Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I talk about how I use these all the time for everyday look. I used it today as a base, and then use the gold shade and the like brown shade for the crease today. So this is the shade Cloud, and you can probably see I have some pan going on, starting to scrape the edges of this. So I'm trying to use this up. Liquid eyeshadows have a shorter kind of lifespan. Let's see what it says, 12 months. I know I've had this for longer than 12 months, so trying to use that up. The next hard item, which will probably be in this project pan the longest, is from my Charlotte Tilbury blush palette. This is the Beautifying Face palette. And what I want to do is try and hit pan in this shade right here, this blush, and that is what is on my cheeks today. So I want to work on that blush and kind of keep working on this palette. I got this from a big like Charlotte Tilbury box. I can link it up above, one of my popular videos here on YouTube of all of like the Pillow Talk collection. So I need to work on that blush. The next item here is a lipstick that I have on today. I love this lipstick. This is the Milani Secret lipstick. And that is how much I have left on this lipstick. Like I said, I have it on my lips today. How I like to measure this is I put the cap and then kind of hit a line. So let me draw the line. Hit the line right there of where I'm at on this lipstick. So that way we can kind of see the progress and how much I actually use up. So you can see it is to the line right there. To the line right there. So that is where I'm at on this lipstick. Another item for eyes is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liner. I have a couple of waterproof liners out that are liquid that I want to try and use up. So I just pulled one at random, and this is the one that I want to work on and finish up. Mascara I am trying to use up right now is the Maybelline The Falsies. This is a waterproof mascara. I am trying to use this up as well. It is the mascara on my eyes today. The last makeup item I want to throw in this project pan is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. This is a highlighter. I have it on as my highlight today, and it is right about there. That is the status of where I'm at. So I really need to use up that liquid highlight, just because liquid highlights, again, have a short lifespan, 12 months. I know I've had this for more than at least 2 years, so I need to finish that up this year. Then I have 2 skincare items I'm throwing in here. This is the Mario Badescu Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. I am going through and using up a whole bunch of different skincare items, and I need to focus on one, especially like in my shower. So this is the one I am pulling out to use. It's okay, it's definitely not my favorite. I still really like the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, but this is the one I am using, and I drew that line just now of where I'm at on this product. And then I have this drawer. I know you guys all have a drawer like me, where you get all these like random skincare products, beauty products from like subscription boxes and stuff, which I've stopped my subscription boxes. I used to have FabFitFun, but I stopped it. But I grabbed this and I figured, let's throw this in this project pan. If I don't like any of these items or I get tired, I do declutter them. So I have empties I'll update you guys on, and declutters. But this is from Derma E. This is the Microdermabrasion Scrub. Has citrus oil blend, Dead Sea Salt, and jojoba oil. So I have this in here for a face scrub. I really don't do face scrubs all that often. Looks like I've used it once or twice maybe. Has a really nice smell to it, so I am going to throw this in here. So this has the expiration date of June of 2025. So I will update you guys on my feelings of this. But that is everything for this rolling project pan. Let me know if you guys are doing project pans this year as well. If you want to dabble into it, a rolling project pan is nice, or just find 1 or 2 items in your collection that you want to try and use up, especially if they're liquid or skincare items. You need to try and use those up before they go bad and the ingredients just don't work with your body and skin. So I have to take Maddie to gymnastics class now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will update you guys soon. Bye.
You dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't